Hello everyone, today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial, I don't really know what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to play around and see what happens. I'm going to start off with the Unique Royalty Beauty Serum, and it's really just to give a wee bit of oils into my skin, just because it's quite dry, so I'm just going to put a wee bit there, and I like to stipple this into my skin. I am then going to put on a mattifying primer just because the oil is very oily, so I just need to put a wee bit of mattifying primer just on my T-zone, just so the foundation sits a wee bit better. This video, my name is Sophie, by the way. If I didn't say that at the start, I can't really remember if I did. So once it's blended in, I'm going to start off with foundation. So I'm going to start off with the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in medium 3. And I'm going to pop that on with a, where is it? With a buffing brush, just because I just prefer putting it on with a buffing brush. And plus I can't find my beauty blender. So I'm just going to buff that into my skin. The reason that I put medium 3 on is just because I wear big tan, and if I match it to my face I look very ghostly. So I'm just going to buff this into the skin. And because I put that wee oil layer on, I just find it evens out a lot better, and it blends a lot better as well. I'm going to put my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in Fur Beige, so it is. I probably could have done better with the Saphir, because this is more of a pinky undertone, but I love this concealer more than any concealer I've tried. But I really want to try that, what's it called, Revolution one that everyone's been talking about. I really want to try that one, so I'm going to see what that compares like to this one. Because I'm in the UK, it's harder to get the Tarte Shape Tape without having to pay like £15–20 delivery. So that's like the price of the concealer anyways. Once I do that, I'm going to get the RCMA No Colour Powder, and I'm just going to set that underneath my eyes. I haven't got much of this left. I'm raging. I love that, so I need to get some more. I'm just going to dab that underneath my eyes. I'm just going to take this wee brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to put the powder on my eyelid too. I love putting the Give Me Sun bronzer, which I use all over my face, which you'll see once I finish my eyes, just in my crease. I'm just going to take it on just like a wee buffing brush. I'm just going to tap it off. I'm just going to put it in my crease, just as, well, kind of a transition shape, but it is a lot darker. But I'm just going to put that in my crease. And now I'm going to use a bigger fluffy brush with nothing on it to blend it out. Take this one from Kiko, and I'm not going to have anything on it. I'm just going to blend that in. I'm going to take the Tarte High Performance Neutrals. I love this blush, which I'll be using later, but I'm going to take Fame, which is just a darker colour there, on it, the same, as you know, yeah, the same fluffy brush. I'm going to dab it. I'm just going to pop it in the corner. I'm just going to blend it through. Once I do that, I'm going to take a more precise brush. I'm going to take my MAC 221, and I'm going to again take that faint colour on the brush and tap it off. I'm just going to take this a wee bit more into the crease. So I'm only going to do one eye on camera, and then I'll do one eye off, just to save me editing later, because I don't know how to edit, so good luck, Sophie, with this editing process. I'm really not looking forward to it. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to cut a half crease. I'm going to take the brush I use Give Me Sun on, and I'm just going to blend the crease into the Tarte Fame colour. So I'm just going to lightly blend that in. I am then going to take one of my favourite colours, especially for highlight, by Cosmetics or something it's called. It's just like a highlight shade. So I'm just going to take it on my brush, and you don't even need to wet these, that's why I love it. See that shine? Yeah, how gorgeous is that? I love it. I really do. And again, I'm just going to take my fluff brush and just blend that. I am then going to take, sorry I keep flipping my hearts through my head in. I am then going to take the Balm Nuditude palette, just because the black in here is amazing. I'm going to take the same brush that I used for the Fame out in the black. I'm just going to dab this here. I'm going to put a wee bit darker. I'm going to take the brush that I used to blend, and I'm going to take Sultry, which again is in the palette. I'm just going to blend it through. So I'm going to take Fame on the big fluffy brush, just because I want the bottom lash to be smoked out. And yeah, actually no, I'm going to take the bronzer first. I'm just going to really blend that down, just because I really want like a smoked out effect. So I'm going to take the MAC brush, which I know I put black on, however I'm just going to wipe it off, and I'm going to put Fame, just because I love this brush so much. I really need to get another one. I'm just going to, and then I'm going to take the big brush by Kiko, and I'm just going to go over all of it with the brush. So once I do that, I'm going to take an eyeliner. This has a plastic wrapping on, but like it's open, it's just because I can't seem to get the plastic wrapping off. It's by See It London. It's just like a precise liner, so I'm just going to pop that. I'm not going to wing it, I'm just going to line it. God, I think everyone stops breathing when you're doing eyeliner, like I know I do. So once I've done that, I'm going to take the MAC brush again, and I'm going to take the dark colour. I'm just going to try and blend in that eyeliner at the end, just to make it a wee bit more seamless. Right, so I'm going to do the same eye, I'm going to do the other eye and put some black in my waterline and put big eyelashes on, and I'll be back. I've done the other eye, I put my eyelashes on, I put black in the waterline. I'm going to do my bronzer and stuff now. So I'm going to take, as you know from my look, the Give Me Some bronzer, and I'm going to basically use it as a contour. I'm just going to take it. So I'm just going to put this on as if like it's a bronzer more than a contour, but I do like it for the contour aspects of it. Some people don't like it because it's too orange. So I like to get another brush just to blend in the sharp edge. And then some people will scream at this, but literally I just pinch the brush and I just lightly go down the side of my nose. Like, I watch a YouTuber called James Charles. I love him so much, and what's it? He likes such a pinch nose. I don't know how to do a pinch nose. I just put it on, like, you know what I mean? I think it's one of the hardest things to do, is to contour a nose. Definitely. So I'm going to take this highlighter, which is a highlighter I was talking about before. It's one of my favourites. It's MAC, and it's Whisper of Glitter. No, Whisper of Glit, or whatever, I don't know. I'm just going to take it on my finger to start off with. And I'm going to just pop it on the end of my nose and down the bridge that didn't show at all. I wanted like a proper highlight. Like a proper highlight. Like I like loads of highlight. I'm going to pop it on my top lip. I'm going to pop it on my chin. I really look weird without my eyebrows. I promise you I will be doing them. So I'm gonna take the on a fan brush. Eyebrows, oh thank god, because I can't stop looking at them. And what I like, I used to use Anastasia, but I dyed my hair and it's a lot lighter now, so I never ordered the Anastasia and I just got Freedom. And to tell you what, I love it. I think I prefer it more than the Anastasia just because it's a wee bit more waxy. Therefore I feel like my eyebrows are more in place when I do them. So I'm just going to take the spoolie of the Unique Brow Pencil and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. Just because I've got everything in them like foundation and all, so I'm just going to brush them away. And I'm going to take this brush by MS Professional and it's just like a wee eyebrow brush. I'm just going to take it on the brush and I'm going to just lightly carve out my eyebrows. I love eyebrows, like they're one of my favourite things to do on my face is my eyebrows. It's kind of my preference to, I always expand my tail just because I used to get my eyebrows waxed and I always got them waxed too high, so now they just don't grow back. So now the eyebrows are done, I'm literally just going to do the finishing touches with your lips and I'm going to highlight under, like in my not cupids, but what's it called? Tear duct. So I'm going to take the same brush that I used and the same highlighter for the lid. I'm just going to do the same, just pop it here. And I'm just going to take a wee bit on the end of my nose. The lipstick I've decided to use today is my Jeffree Star one just because I love it. It looks pink but it's not. It's Family Jewel. So this is the finished look. I've got lipstick on my teeth, of course I have. Hope you liked it and I don't know when I'll be filming again. I'm hoping to do them at least once a week, but I can't promise. I'll see you later. Bye!